Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm going to be using the Scott Barnes makeup brushes to apply my Charlotte Tilbury foundation. The magic cream, first thing, was apply it to our skin. Moisturizer that you use on your skin should be sufficient to moisturize underneath your eyes, and eye cream is just an additional step that you don't necessarily need to use, but I like to use it. I think it's just a mental thing for me. I feel like applying an eye cream is just doing something else in my favor. Go ahead and spray the setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury on my face. We're moving on to the Light Wonder foundation, a medium 5. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my face. Did a little bit too much, but it's all right. I'm going to go ahead and grab the first brush you see here. First brush I'm going to be using is the 68, and this is his foundation brush. So I'm going to go ahead and stipple my face. It feels very nice. The length of the brush is like, it just feels like so fancy. Do I see one fall out? I think I just saw one fall out. This is a brand new brush, you guys, so I have not washed it or anything. It's literally first impressions. Now that is just my hair right there. That's not a bristle. It covered everything. What is going on with this hair? Is it just having a mind of its own? Let me put that on. Apparently this hair is getting in the way. This hair is definitely getting in the way, and I cannot have that. Let's restrain the hairs. This is the one we'll be using, Magic Away Concealer, and I am applying it right here in these areas. Over-applied, I got carried away, but it's alright. I'm gonna go ahead and use the foundation brush just to stipple this in here on the end and work it in. Very nice. Instead of using my fingers, I'm going to use this brush, just for the sake of it. Okay, same thing on the other hand. I'm done with the creams. And I'm going to use this ginormous brush. It's number 67 to powder my entire face. I'm going to use the number 1 from Charlotte Tilbury, and then we're going to dust the product all over the face. And since it's so dense, more than likely it's going to pick up a lot. Look at that, it picked up a lot. So I'm just going to dust it. Over it with the number 2, Charlotte Tilbury number 2, and this is going to give me some depth on my face, so I'm going to apply it on the edges like that. Same thing on the side. Apply it on the edges like this. All the powder that was on my brush is no longer there, so that is kind of nice. That means all that powder is on my face. I have number 65 that is called the Flawless Face, and it's shaped very differently than any of the other brushes that I've ever encountered. This is another multi-purpose brush. It can be for bronzing, for contouring, and for buffing, and you can toast the edges. So I want to use this one for my powder bronzer to see how it works and how I can toast the edges on my face. I need to use this here, Charlotte Tilbury number 2. Nice. Okay, I like this. I really like this brush right here. Look at that. You can really bronze up the edges of your face. Oh yeah, love this brush. So let's go ahead and do this side. Like how this brush is actually buffing my powder in. Wow, I think I found a new favorite contour brush. Let's do underneath the chin. This is number 64, and it's the highlighting brush with a Film Star bronzer. I'm gonna be using it with this here. I'm just gonna place it in those areas. to give me that. I'm just gonna place it like right there. Next thing I'm moving on to is going to be number 66. This brush right here. This one is shaped a little bit different, so I want to try it with my blush. I use this for highlighting, contouring, powder, toasting the edges, buffing it as well. Even though it's not as dense, the bristles are longer, so you probably have a sheer application to your contour and your powders as well. Blush I'm going to go ahead and use the Pillow Talk. I do like this application because you can just kind of tap it in the area you want it, and that's all the area you would need to apply the product. This is a very nice brush to apply your blush. I don't feel like I grab too much of it. It's very, very sheer. I'm gonna use the number 62. He calls it a blending brush. I'm gonna use that number 1 powder and sweep it like that, and just sweep it all over my eyelids. Sweep it all over my eyelids like that to give me a little bit of a base. With the same 62, I'm going to go ahead and grab this palette here. Let me put it here, and I'm gonna sweep it on my eyelid. With this number 61, it's like a fan shape. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the number 2 in this palette right here. That's what I'm doing, just grabbing that. And I'm going to apply it at the center right here of my face. Same thing, do this. And this is a very nice brush because you can mold the shadow to your eyelid. You can cut the crease in there as well to shape it out if necessary, because it already has that curve to it. Number 59, and it's a very precise angled brush, and I'm going to use this for my eyeliner. I'm going to do this color right here. Also going to use that same color and do the bottom. That dome brush, I'm going to go under here. I'm going to go underneath to buff that out right there. And this number 63 is called the wing brush. You can use this as eyeshadow, or you can use it in the crease, but I'm going to use it to contour my nose and see how well it works. Use the bronzing powder to sweep it underneath my nose, like that. A little bit on the side. That big old 67, and I'm just gonna dust it on my nose like that. Go ahead and spray my face. Let me go ahead and spray my face. In the naked. Go ahead and use my Legendary Brow from Tilbury. I'm just gonna grab a spoolie and just brush these eyebrows. Use the Pillow Talk lip liner. I'm going to fill in our lips. This is number 60, and it's the lip brush, or it can also be used as an eye brush, but I'm going to use it for my lips. I'm just going to go down the sides here, define my lip line, and let me go ahead and follow it up with Pillow Talk. I'm going to apply it here, and I do like that it has a little curve to it. I don't know if you guys could see, it has a little curve to it, so it can make your lip line more precise. Oh, you guys, I forgot my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. It's time to apply my Origins mascara. I'm gonna apply my Origin mascara, my fave. That is it, you guys. This is the entire look. Here are the brushes that I would recommend. Number 65, definitely, for the contour. It did it so beautifully. 66, because it just has this shape here, that curve. It has this curve shape to it that when you apply your blush, you could just apply it in the areas that you need it, and it'll look beautiful. Number 59, for the eyeliner. It is such a precise eyeliner. And number 61, because of this dome shape, it actually is the shape of your eyelid. You can just kind of cut the crease with it and apply shadows. For 63, because of the same shape that it has that little curve but a point towards the end, has that soft round edge to it. I would recommend number 60, which is the lip pencil, or it can be also used as an eye pencil, but it is such a precise, and you could get such a good line with it, as you can see, like that. 67, just because it's such a big brush, and you can use it to bronze or to apply your powder on your face, and it's a really nice dome brush. I'm sure you could probably find other ones on the market, but this is another nice one to purchase. The ones I would not purchase would be the 68, the foundation brush, because I just feel like you can purchase this foundation brush at a lower cost from a different brand and get the same results. Or 62, this crease blending brush, because I feel like there are a lot of blending brushes on the market that can replace this one. And lastly, I would not buy number 64, this dome brush, because you can find other dome brushes such as this one on the market for a fraction of the cost as well. I would recommend all the other brushes just because they have a unique shape to it. And that's it, you guys. This is my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got to see the transformation from applying my Light Wonder foundation up to the end, how beautifully those brushes applied the product onto my face, because it really did. These are really nice quality brushes. They're just some brushes that I would buy, and others that I wouldn't buy because you could probably substitute them for a better brush for a fraction of the cost. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Remember, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any amazing videos in the future. Become part of the family, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!